my little learners, welcome to grade 2 reasoning book, and we are starting with chapter number 1, patterns. So do you see patterns around you? Let's help Vijayalakshmi, who is helping her mom to decorate her house for the day of festival, that what actually is pattern. And Vijayalakshmi is observing the house with so much keen interest, and she realizes there is a pattern of marigold flowers which are hanging vertically. The one is light and another is dark. And then she says, wow, I could see another pattern of leaves of mango trees along with rose flowers, which is again making another pattern. So children, when you start observing, it increases your curiosity to observe the things and it develops your thoughtfulness. It improves your mental skill, and this is why we actually study pattern. So what is pattern? It is a proper arrangement of either numbers, colors, shapes, or even sometimes you have the objects arranged in a proper manner, and you could see patterns around you in different ways. See a beautiful pattern which is shown here, and which is a combination of certain biscuits and the fruit cutouts, isn't it? And what do you see here? Another very exciting and eye-catching pattern. So patterns are all around, and we have to open our eyes and bring out creativity from ourselves to make different patterns around us. Now, we could see that sometimes when you start filling the patterns, you come to know what should be the next one. Here we have stars and hearts arranged in certain pattern. So, can you tell what comes next? Yes, it will be another star for you. Very nice. And what do you see here? Could you see that we have square and circles arranged properly? So another thing comes here is a circle that makes a combination of one square, two circles, one square and two circles, right? And in this way, sometimes you come across the patterns of numbers. So what do you see? 1, 3, addition of 2. So next one will be 5, and then comes 7, 9 and 11. Time to clap for yourself. Now, what do you observe here? How much is added? 5. So, 45 turns to 50. Then comes 55. Next is 60. Beautiful. What's next? 65. Wonderful. And then comes 70. So that means the concept is clear to you, and we have, this is decreasing pattern. So pattern can be in any form. You have to just open your third eye, observe it very carefully, and here you are promptly answering me. It is minus 10. So next will be 40, then comes 30, very good, and 20, beautiful. Now here what do you see? Again a decreasing pattern of minus 1 every time. So I believe you can do it yourself. Let's take more examples. Here we have few patterns of shapes. Could you see a pentagon, 5-sided figure, and it is given a right turn of 90 degrees. So this circle comes on the right. Next time it reaches here, and next time it reaches here. So next expected location will be this one. I say C is the correct option. Got it? Now let's do another brainstorming with some alphabets. So we have seen A followed by D. So B and C are skipped. That means every time you are skipping 2 alphabets. So after D, E and F are skipped and we reach G. So after G, H, I is skipped and your next answer becomes J. Now moving further, we have a skipping numbers. So you have to find what is the next number. Could you see the pattern here? The pattern is of +2. Wonderful. So what comes after 20 is 22. Beautiful answer, and D becomes your right option. Now we have few questions for you. So whenever you study pattern, you come across the roads unseen. That means every question has a secret hidden inside it, and a little brainstorming, a little mental exercise will help you to crack the question. Just a keen observation is required. So let's look here. We could see every alphabet coming 2 times. So what will be the next answer? Yes, that is double E. Not a worry, sometimes you get the questions related to numbers as well. You have to check that is it addition, sometimes it could be subtraction, sometimes the question comes in a different form where you observe another way of asking the sum of 3 numbers which is given at the center. So simple thing you need to understand is every question would be different. Here it is a product of 2 numbers, sometimes it could be addition of some numbers, sometimes you have to observe the pattern and write the missing number, and in this way sometimes you come across the question where we are given certain figures and we have to analyze that how the figure is increasing and what will be the next picture. So every question is different. A simple brainstorming and a thought process will help you to get and extract the right answer. Okay, so now your time to just observe these figures and find the correct combination. It is your mental drill which is going to give you an energy booster, and it is going to help you to outshine in your academics as well. So start doing these exercises and it is going to write you a hidden success story. Goodbye and catch you later.